Good morning, students. In continuation with the physics practical class 9, this is experiment 2. Aim is to find out the volume of the given pin. The given pin using screw gauge. This is a screw gauge. Here the formula is V is equal to pi r square L, where r is the radius of the pin, which we will find out using screw gauge, and length is given 5.04 centimeter. What is a screw gauge? First we have to see. This is a screw gauge, okay, and it has one circular scale which has got 100 divisions, which is moving over the main scale. This is the main scale, and this line is the base line. And these are the studs. When these two are in contact, the zero of the circular scale coincides with the base line of the main scale. So first we will find out the least count of screw gauge, like we had found the least count of vernier caliper. Least count is the smallest measurement which an instrument can take. The formula is least count of screw gauge is pitch by number of circular scale divisions. In this, the number of circular scale divisions is 100. Now, what is pitch? When we give one turn to the circular scale, how much distance is moves on the main scale, that is the pitch of the screw gauge. So on giving one turn, that is 0 to 100, it moves one division, that is 1 millimeter. So pitch is 1 millimeter and number of circular scale division is 100. So 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01 millimeter. In centimeter it is 0.001 centimeter. So this is the least count of the screw gauge. Now we find out the zero error. When we turn, these two are in contact, when the zero of circular scale coincides with the baseline of the main scale, then this instrument is free of zero error. If the zero is above or below the baseline, then it is having zero error. If it is above the baseline, then it is negative zero error. Negative zero error, we find out 100 minus number of circular scale division coinciding with the baseline into least count. This will be minus sign. This will add to the actual reading, main scale reading with sign. And if it is below the baseline, then it is having positive zero error, which is number of circular scale division into least count. This instrument is not having any zero error. So to find out the volume of the given pin, length is already given 5.04 centimeter, and we have to find out the radius. For that we make this table, serial number 1, 2, 3. 3 readings we will take, and the average of these 3 readings will be the radius of the pin. So first we take main scale. How to take main scale? We turn the circular scale and put the pin between these two studs, and then we turn and hold it tightly between these two, the pin, and then we take the main scale reading. Main scale reading, the circular scale is crossing how many divisions on the main scale? That is the main scale reading. The main scale reading here is 0.5 millimeter, that is 0.5 centimeter. Then we see which division of the circular scale coincides with any division of the main scale. Here we see the Suppose fifth division is coinciding with the baseline, then circular scale division coinciding is 5. Now circular scale reading is CSDC, circular scale division coinciding into least count. This will come to when we multiply with least count, it will come to 0.0057. Okay. Now total reading is 2, we add main scale reading into circular scale 0.505. There is no zero error. So total reading, as there is no zero error, will be 0.05. Then like this we take 3 readings by turning the pin, and average of the 3 reading will be the average diameter, that is 0.505. Okay. Now we divide this by 2. This will become the radius of the pin. Length is given, radius we have got, and by using these two values, we can find out the volume of the given pin by using this formula that you will write the calculation. So here we see, first in the copy, first you will write the index experiment 2, and the aim you will write here, name of the experiment, and on the plain side you will draw this diagram of screw gauge, and here you will write all this I will give you in the assignment, and calculate the volume of the pin by using the readings in the formula. Okay. Thank you. So with this we finish this experiment 2. I will send you the video link and the assignment which you will write in your practical notebook. Thank you.